A satyagraha of a different kind. A group of determined men and women, young and old, have spent 13 days in the waters of the Narmada, submerged almost to their neck. The government began increasing the level of water at the Omkareshwar Dam last month, and their land is getting submerged. 13 days, yet not one politician has bothered to visit them. The protesters, who are members of the Narmada Bachao Andolan, say the government's decision to increase the water level of the dam without rehabilitating people living in the low-lying areas is a violation of a Supreme Court order which says that villagers must be rehabilitated at least 6 months before any such move.
51 protesters on the 13th day of the Jal Satyagraha in Madhya Pradesh, Khogal village, demanding justice for villagers whose homes will be submerged after the state government order opening all the gates of the Omkareshwar Dam. With the river Narmada flowing above the danger levels, the government has little choice. But the protesters, members of the Narmada Bachao Andolan, say the government's decision to increase the water level of the Omkareshwar Dam on the Narmada without rehabilitating people living in low-lying villages is a violation of a Supreme Court order, which says villagers must be rehabilitated at least 6 months before such a move.
हमारा ये आंदोलन एक तो पानी कम होगा 189 होगा जब हम यहाँ से खड़े होंगे, और जो हमारा कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया है कि भाई आपको 5 एकड़ ज़मीन दी जाएगी, तो वो 5 एकड़ ज़मीन नहीं मिलेगी किसानों को, और गरीबों को 2.5 लाख रुपए नहीं मिलेंगे। जब तक हम यहाँ अगर मर भी जाएंगे तो कोई हमारे जो परिवार है वो सब संभालेंगे, बाकी हम तो यहाँ से उठेंगे नहीं।
For 13 days, these men and women have been in water, and this unique protest is beginning to tell on their health.
पानी में बैठे हुए हैं, मछलियाँ भी काट रही है और केकड़े भी बड़े बड़े काट रहे हैं, और पाँव सब सड़ गए, और सर डेंगू, बारिश भी हो रही ऊपर से बहुत, रात भर से बारिश में बैठे हैं।
The big question, are state authorities even listening? There is no medical help on hand for the protesters, no one from the local administration on the spot. The water of the Omkareshwar Dam has already risen to 190.5 meters, and its effects can be seen in Khogal, Kamankheda and 28 other villages. Underneath the water, here is a 20-feet bridge, but people are being forced to use boats to reach the other side. The water has also destroyed crops.
उससे हमको ये तकलीफ हो रही है, हमारी जमीन है पार, कम से कम 500, हाँ उस तरफ पार जमीन है हमारी, 500 एकड़ जमीन है, पूरे किसान की जमीन हमारी उधर है, वो अभी डूब में नहीं है, ये हमारे जाने आने का बहुत मतलब दिक्कत आ रही है।
Since 25th of August, these 51 protesters are sitting on Jal Satyagraha, and so far the district level authorities have assured them to give in to some of their demands which is in their capacity, but that doesn't include 2 of their main demands. One, reduction of Omkareshwar Dam's water level to 189 meters, and second, proper implementation of land for land compensation. The protesters are hell-bent that until the Madhya Pradesh government gives in to 2 of their main demands, they are not coming out of water. In Khogal village with Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV. It's a little over 12 in the night, and officially the Jal Satyagraha by the Narmada Bachao Andolan protesters and the villagers has entered into its 14th day, and as you can see, even at this point of time, there's little bit of drizzling, and people are still inside water braving this adverse condition. You know, there are snakes, there are fishes that nibble their skin, which has been badly affected by the water that they are into for so many days now. The water you can see is really murky. This is a reservoir water, and this is where they are struggling. In a while they may come out for an hour or two to basically rest and gather energy for tomorrow's protest, and hoping that tomorrow's sunrise may bring a new hope, and finally the government may basically give in to their demands and they may not need to continue it further. Also, if my camera person could show you, these are people, you know, the 51 people are there inside the water, but they have support of thousands of people. 30 villages have been affected by this overall increase of the water level in Omkareshwar Dam, and people from 30 villages, as you can see, have come here basically to keep motivating the people here not to let their morale down, and this is how they keep themselves busy, by basically singing bhajans and also folk songs, you know, in a way taunting to the MP government that they are not listening to their demands. And this goes on for the whole of the night, and these people, as you can see, continue their struggle as they have entered 14th day of the Jal Satyagraha. In Khogal with Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
And earlier we also spoke to NAC member Aruna Roy, who said the government cannot ignore these villagers.
Well, I think the government has no choice but to listen, and if it doesn't, there are going to be very serious consequences, because there are some people in neck-deep water, and some response has to be made, and both on democratic grounds and on humanitarian grounds. You can't let people just drown, and I think it's imperative that the government respond immediately for the demands of the people.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.